12:51 by Chrissy and Erica.
Yeah!
Yeah. I'm stalling through myself for the many hours of the day. Reading the text you sent me again, I'll memorize it anyway. It was an afternoon in December when it reminded you of the day when we bumped into each other. But you didn't say hi, so I looked away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I had to move on since that night. But since 12:51 and I can't feel this regard. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. And the moon shines so bright. I'm gonna dry these tears tonight, 'cause you're moving on. I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. And I saw you with her, you find another, and the world just seemed to crash. Shouldn't have thought that it would last, and maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I've never moved on since that.